If you're experiencing crashing issues with your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and improve the situation. This guide will help you identify and resolve common problems. Step 1. Restart your console. Power cycle your Xbox Series X by holding down the power button for about 10 seconds until it turns off. Wait a minute, then turn it back on. This can clear temporary glitches. Step 2. Check for system updates. Navigate to Settings, then System, and select Updates. Ensure your console is running the latest software version. Updates often include fixes for stability issues. Step 3. Clear the cache. To clear the cache, turn off your console, unplug it from the power source, and wait for 10 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. This can help resolve performance issues. Step 4. Inspect your games. Check if the crashing occurs with specific games. If so, try uninstalling and reinstalling those games. This can fix corrupted files that may be causing crashes. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Xbox support for further assistance. They can provide more advanced troubleshooting or repair options. By following these steps, you should be able to improve the crashing issues on your Xbox Series X. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek professional help.